Welcome, fellow GTA-RP server owners, to another JM Modifications Showcase demo. Atom 12, I will mark you 1041 and 108. Have a great shift.
Hello everybody, my name is John of JM Modifications. Today I'm going to showcase y'all the Cat Cafe job script for QB Core. So the past few weeks, or the past month I should say, I've been working on my own Cafe JavaScript. I tried every other ones on my server. Apparently it did not work as I expected to be, so I came up with my own. So we're gonna go up to this MLO here. This is Gabs' MLO. This JavaScript will work with any. It should work with any Cat Cafe MLO. As part of JavaScript, we go to your minimap. You'll get a pink cash register icon. Also, so basically what the script does, like any other Cat Cafe JavaScript, only thing that's special about only thing that's different from my version is it has business hours. It has a security system, and it does support polyzones. So, which is a dependency on the script. Also with the script you get some door lock files for QB Core. You got the main entrance. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock the door. I'm gonna go over here. Want this. There is a clock in and clock out system, which is right here where this vacuum is. It does support QB target or aux target. So if you have either one of those, the script does support them. I'm gonna go ahead and clock in. Somehow, by default, you're on duty. But if it does that, go ahead and clock back in. I'm gonna figure out. Once I figure out what it's doing that by default, it shouldn't have done that. Once it recognizes you're off the clock, it should not flip your status. So I'm gonna clock in. You'll get a notification saying you're now on duty. And when you go clock out, that notification that was shown before when I tried to clock in, that's what the notification you will get once you clock off. Alright, now if we go in the kitchen here, we go to the table right here. And also it has a little QB menu integration as well. Also QB inventory. So you have QB inventory, QB door lock, polyzone, QB menu, aux target, and QB target support. I am working on if there's any other thing you don't want to see in the script, let me know down in the comments down below. So if I go to, if I hold down my left alt key, I'll get an option saying use the craft table. I'm gonna go ahead and click that. You get a little menu. Right now there's like 4 options at the moment. I'm working on currently adding more to the script. And by default there's no ingredients required to make these stuff, but if you want to add the ingredients yourself, you're gonna go ahead and you can configure all this in the config. Everything in the config is configurable. So example for this right now, by default I have is no ingredients required, which I want for this the showcase. Let's see, and each of these items will be crafted based on the time they are set. The milk tea is 5 seconds, the cookie is 6 seconds, the ice cream is 8 seconds, and the bento is 10 seconds. Let me go ahead and show y'all the cat bento. I'm gonna go ahead and click that. We get a little notification saying preparing cat bento. You wait for a few seconds so you get another notification that you crafted cat bento. If you open up your QB inventory, you'll get this little image with cat bento. And the items, there is an items.lua that you have to paste right into your QB core shared items.lua file. You also have to import the images for these images to show. And there is some animations when you go to like you go to eat them. If I hit 3, it'll play that little animation. Once you're done that, it will be removed from your inventory. How cool is that? And if I walk up to the cash register, right now there's only one cash register using the polyzone. I'll work on getting the other one configured, so you're able to use 2 if you're like a big economy server. Now if I go open up the cash register, it will pull up your inventory. And prices of the items are set, but they are pre-configured. I might give you all an option to change the prices in the config, which I'm thinking about doing before I release the script. So far, the script is working as a tenant I want it to be. It does work, and yes, this JavaScript does require you to have a database. So by default, the Uru milk tea is $25. The cat cookie is $20. The mochi ice cream is $30, and the cat bento is $40. If I right click, hover on one of these and right click, and yes, it does take money from your. I'm not sure why it's doing that. I might have to figure out a way. It should be taking money out from. You know what? I got an idea. But I'm not gonna share it in this video. But I think I gotta work around. I think I can come up with a work around all this. So you won't be charged for. It should be charging the customer, not you. So I might come up with something. But other than that, I'll come up with something. But it is what it is. Let me eat this up. Alright, once you're done, of course I get that little Discord notification. We're gonna lock everything back up, and we're gonna clock out. Go over here and clock out. Now duty. And also want to, if I go in here, this works with Code Studio's boss menu. But as long as you add it to your whatever boss menu, and make sure to add the name Uru Cafe to boss menu, otherwise it won't work. But I'll give you all the example. Once the script is released. So I like how this is turned out so far. So, price-wise, oh Jesus, let me heal myself real quick. Don't know why it's doing that. So, price range for the script, we're looking at a $29.95 price tag. The reason for that price is I put a lot of time and effort into the script. Like a working job script. But other than that, I just gotta make a few more adjustments, do one more final demo showcase video, and it should be good for release. Hopefully I can get the script out sometime this month before 2026. But other than that, definitely is that. You like the script? You can find out all the information on the T-Back store, which is linked down in the description down below. Get more information about the script. Until next time, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.